Got you going, boss. Goof.
I'm not saying anything. He's typing up the wrong thing.
You got a kitten? You can do it, kitten. All of it. Absolutely all of it for documentation.
Okay, you ready, guys?
Content.
1, 2, 3.
Woo!
Here it goes.
Here we go.
There we are. Hey!
Anyone else?
Slowly moving.
Awesome. Really impressive. Whew.
Come over this side. So when you move it slowly like that, the light adjusts to the area. And they give you a better coverage of what you're seeing.
Very cool. Very cool. Oh, shit, totally. There we go.
You jump out. You jump out that way. You could shallow dive too.
Oh, that's a good one. Yeah, totally. Let's use a shallow dive. Oh, ah. That echo. Yeah, toss a mom. There you go. Okay.
That's what you want.
Nah.
I mean, it's not like you don't see him every day.
It's not like they live together.
It's valid.
Yeah.
Yeah.
So, your turn to talk. That's a married woman's drawing.
There you go. The laugh just gets me.
That's how people, when we're hiking and you need to find her.
If you want to not wear your left hand, pick it up.
Wherever you want, Mom.
If you comfortable, you can put it in the water.
Follow your heart.
When you hit the shallow, just put it on the side and then put it back in after. You can put it on your head too if you want. That's up to you.
I do really well with instructions.
You can hear the bird laugh just now.
Yeah. You're gonna make the howler monkeys angry.
Oh, they're so cute, these little fish.
Alright, ready? This is what we call a 0.01 round. Clench and rain. Clench and rain. And put it up. We're finding butt spots. Woo!
We go in with one track, we leave with one track.
Uh-huh.
Toes up.
Paddle, paddle, paddle.
I hope you didn't eat too much rice.
There we are. Oh, what time we got? I got 2:30.
Alright, just want to make sure my time.
All right.
Out of here by 4 o'clock.
Easy.
We have plenty of time.
That's awesome. Oh, bats, Jim.
Swallows.
Wow. Oh, swallows.
We have crab swallows, mangrove swallows.
Oh. Ah.
That joke is not for everybody. You guys are terrible.
The whole, just the whole shrimp.
The way we were raised.
Falcon
Yeah, we
ears.
blame Mama.
I thought that was whispering.
I hear everything.
That's convenient for you.
Yes.
Oh, wow.
All right, ladies and gentlemen, welcome to hell. This is what the Mayans call the entrance to the underworld, the entrance to Shibaba. I hope you got your butts up.
Such a relaxing hill. I can't do it. You gave the girl without, like, she doesn't like it. This is like a Disney ride.
That is getting quoted later. This is like a Disney
Don't worry,
ride.
I got you, honey. I got you from the back. What's that? So, this cave says that the water level rise.
Hey, Jen. Hey, buddy. Hi. It's okay.
Look at me.
We're gonna relocate you.
It might even be on me.
Okay,
Nope.
he's not.
You're good.